So tonight I'm lucky enough to be checking into the Four Seasons Hotel in the Rocks in Sydney as part of our new Beauty Sleep series. The Four Seasons is right in the centre of Sydney, the Rocks and Wynyard, so it's perfectly positioned to enjoy some pretty magnificent views of the nearby Opera House and Circular Quay. Now tonight is very special. My husband Damien has been travelling overseas for the past few months and we've barely seen each other, let alone had any spare time, so I've packed the kids off to their grandparents and organised a night away. We're lucky enough to be staying in the beautiful Royal Suite, which is an incredible 107 square metre suite with jaw-dropping views and this incredible bath. We just begged for a video all about bath and body launches. And it's also Valentine's Day coming up, so I thought you could do a little video inspiring you for some date night ideas. I'm going to start by setting the scene and lighting some candles. This is a travel candle by Maison Blanche, which comes in a little tin. These are so perfect when you're going to the hotel and you want to take a little piece of home with you. It's also great, if it's still warm, you can put the lid on it and you don't have to worry about the wax leaking all over your clothes. I'll just get this bath going, it's going to take all week to fill. For the bedroom, I'm going with Circa Home Jasmine and Magnolia. It's really fresh with white floral notes. It's not overpowering, it's just nice and very spring. And then for the dining room, I've actually got the perfect thing to complement this incredible welcome dessert platter that we were treated to. This is from Akoya's festive collection. It's dark chocolate, meringue and raspberry and it smells amazing. So I'm going to load up this bath with some goodies. First up, some Epsom bath salts from Soaksmith. I love that it has jasmine and calendula petals in it and it smells incredible with rose, geranium, lang lang and jasmine. Epsom salts have great well-being properties too. For my skin, I'm going to also use a splash of Crabtree and Evelyn's soothing goat milk and oat bath milk. This is actually perfect for really dry or sensitized skin. But first, time to scrub. I've got two options. The Endota Spa Arnica and Menthol Scrub is amazing. It's perfect for sore muscles after training or if you're feeling really stressed and tight in the shoulders. The menthol is cooling and invigorating and the Arnica actually helps with bruising. A more indulgent, soothing scrub is the Jo Malone Walnut Scrub. It's in a creamy paste formula which is hydrating for the skin and smells absolutely gorgeous. Another great option for exfoliating are these wipes by Alpha H. They contain glycolic acid so they slough off any old fake tan and refresh the skin. Now I wanted to show you a few body washes that you can use in the shower or bath. This is a Veda Stress Fix Cleansing Oil. So as you can see, it's more like an oil and cream formulation. Once you add water, it emulsifies and becomes quite milky and hydrating. And the Stress Fix aroma is so beautiful, lavender and chamomile, perfect for winding down before bed. This is one of the new flavours from Molton Brown. It's rhubarb and rose. I love anything with notes of rhubarb in it. It's really zesty and sweet at the same time. This lathers beautifully, so nicely in fact I'm going to use it to shave. This is the new Gillette Venus Razor. I like the gel pads on either side of the blades because it makes for a much softer and safer shave, which is great because I always seem to be in a hurry when I shave my legs. And for finishing touches, body lotions and bronzers. I'll pop on the Molton Brown Rhubarb and Rose because I love to layer fragrance. Using a matching shower gel and body lotion is pretty indulgent and something that's always fun for date nights. For my legs, my arm and décolletage, I'll use some bronzer. This is J-Bronze Instant Tan. Now it's not a new product, but it's an old faithful that I just threw in at the last minute when I realised I didn't have time to get a fake tan. And finally, this is the fabulous Charlotte Tilbury Supermodel Body. Again, not a new product, but one I had to include. And with that, I'm off to meet Damien for dinner downstairs at Mode Kitchen and Bath. Now that was some pretty serious beauty prep, but I hope you enjoyed it and got a few ideas for some new bath and body products you might like to try. Good night.